Okay, we have two more examples here. The first one, rearrange each formula to solve for the indicated variables. So in part A, we have y equals mx plus b. That should be a very familiar formula to us as we just used that in our last unit. That's the equation of a line. And it's asking us to solve for x. So that means isolate x, or get x on a side of the equal sign all by itself. Take a couple of minutes, pause the video, try this one out on your own, and come back and we'll take it up all together. Alright, so I hope that some of you have used our method that we've used in class, where we start with the variable and explain in words what we're doing to x. So to x here, we are first multiplying by m, then adding b. So let's go ahead and write that on the side. To x, we are multiplying by m, and then adding b. So if we want to solve for x, then let's work in the reverse order to undo these steps here. So the first thing that we need to do to get x by itself is to subtract b here. We are adding b. We want to do the opposite operation, which is subtracting. So let's go ahead and subtract b from both sides of the equation. I'm actually going to rewrite the equation down here. Y equals mx plus b. So we will subtract b and subtract b. So right now we have y minus b equals mx, and then here plus b minus b, that is 0. So that zeroes out, so we just have mx here. So we've taken care of this part here. Our last step to getting x here all by itself is to get rid of this m here. We are multiplying by m. So let's undo that. We will divide by m. So divide both sides by m here. Divide by m. And we are left with y minus b divided by m. Y minus b divided by m equals, and on this side of the equation we have mx divided by m. These m's will divide out, and we're just left with this x here. So we just have equals x, and we have isolated the equation for x.